Hello and welcome back to Week 2, Unit 6 of our OpenSAP course Touch IoT with SAP Leonardo. Now that you've had a good introduction to IoT and have learned how SAP fits into the picture, we thought it would be good to put together some other resources which might help you in creating your own IoT prototype. So let's get started. The first thing to know is that there are tons of resources out there. This is great, but at the same time, this can also be overwhelming. And then also choosing the right tool to use for your specific purpose can be even more daunting. Before I show you some of these other resources, it is important to know that choosing the right tool and technology is an important step. So whichever tools work for you, those are the ones you should use. Obviously, we are using certain tools in this course that we've put together and that we think are right for you. But if you want to use some external tools and resources, that is also totally fine. However, here's our compiled list of tools and resources that will guide you to what you need and hopefully will help you get started. We also tried to narrow our list to links that are relevant to IoT. Okay, so let's see what we've got for you. First up is the SAP IoT homepage. It is a great place to start and familiarize yourself with what SAP is doing in IoT and what customers have been able to do with SAP IoT tools. Then of course we want to get you more resources on SAP Leonardo. Here we've provided you with links where you can learn more about SAP Leonardo and what solutions are included. Within the same link you can also find a nice collection of interesting and innovative customer use cases. And speaking of SAP Leonardo, with this link here you will get more information on the previously mentioned Jumpstart program. It includes a nice overview of the program details and will list the solutions which are currently available as part of the program. But also our SAP Community Network, formerly known as SCN, is a great resource. It's a public network that allows groups with similar interests to blog, post and comment about upcoming trends and thoughts. It is also a great place to read through details on SAP IoT solutions and hear about the latest technology. Next, I want to tell you about the SAP Enterprise Architecture Explorer. It is a semantic knowledge base that focuses on specific IT areas that have been identified as a high interest by SAP customers. It provides valuable insights, definitions, and other related content to help you get started with the latest tech trends. The current focus is on areas of UX, landscape architecture, and of course, the Internet of Things. Now let's talk about the SAP Cloud Platform, formerly known as HANA Cloud Platform or short HCP, an open platform as a service tool that enables rapid development of new applications or existing ones. It allows anyone to extend SAP apps in minutes, all in the cloud. And to be more specific, the SAP Cloud Platform has its own IoT services, which you can easily get started with by creating a free account and then enabling the IoT services on the cockpit. To read more about enabling these services, we have provided two links for you. One is a step-by-step guide to the IoT services, and the other one teaches you how to enable those services. Also part of the SAP Cloud Platform are some other tools that help enable the developer experience for IoT. Now, we are going to have a unit that touches on this a bit more toward the end of this course, but for now, just keep in mind these links for learning about SAP Web IDE, which is SAP's cloud-based integrated development environment, and application enablement for IoT. And if you want to read more on how companies have been able to reimagine their business using SAP Cloud Platform and IoT, you should check out this link. It could also be used for inspiration to think about the outcomes of what IoT could do for you and your prototype idea. And I also need to mention that there are a lot of resources for SAP S/4HANA. S/4HANA is SAP's next generation business suite built on HANA, which is SAP's in-memory platform. If you're generally interested in how to get started with or migrate to SAP S/4HANA, check out the best practices and other resources available here. I also want to share with you some links on SAP's existing IoT solutions, which were presented to you earlier this week. First of all, we have SAP Connected Goods. Check out the official homepage as well as our blogs. And of course, we also presented to you earlier this week SAP Dynamic Edge Processing, which is part of SAP Leonardo Edge. Also here, we provided you with links to their homepage as well as to publish white paper and interesting blog posts. And if you remember, the third SAP IoT product we presented to you was SAP Asset Intelligence Network, which of course you shouldn't miss here. Then there's the SAP tool called Build. Build is a design tool for non-technical users. It can help you design low and high fidelity prototypes. When you follow the link, you can find tools such as learning content on UX methodologies, best practices, and an integrated set of design tools to do user research and create prototypes. We'll also have an additional unit in week 3 where we'll demo how simple and fun it is to create IoT prototypes with Build. For those of you who want to build a story with pre-made figures and drawings, a great SAP tool you can use for this is called Scenes. It is a tool to quickly create stories about products and services, and allows everyone to shape their ideas and scenarios in the form of fun illustrative storyboards. And I promise, without the need of any drawing skills. Now, I also want to mention SAP Fiori. It is the new user experience for SAP. If you're interested in guidelines and how it works, you can follow the link to learn more. But don't worry, we will also cover this more in week 3. As a good UX is extremely important for any IoT-based experience. And then last but not least, we want to encourage you to check out the top IoT prototype submissions from our previous OpenSAP course, Imagine IoT. We put together a gallery of the best IoT prototypes created by you, the OpenSAP community. Here you can browse through what others have already created prior to this course and use it as kind of an inspiration and a starting point to see what's possible. Okay, so now you have a full list of tools and resources to dig deeper into topics you're interested in. Okay, that's it for week 2. Be sure to check out the optional hands-on exercise in which you will get to touch IoT yourself. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you soon.